Doll, please.
Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are opening our last member of Shadow High Series 1. And look at her, she's front and center. Today we are unboxing Miss Nicole Steel. Miss Nicole Steel has quite the sporty vibe. I really like this denim outfit that she has going on with some sporty shorts underneath and some long socks. We have a fancy jacket with a dress underneath that's like a jersey, and these, which I'm really excited about. Let's get her out and take a look. She has extremely soft curly hair. I feel like her hair is the softest out of any Rainbow High, Shadow High doll that I've opened so far. Now she's this very light gray color and some brown eyes, which really stand out. Dark gray lipstick with a little bit of red blush. She has these pendant earrings, and her denim outfit is really cool. It has sleeve cuts in the shoulder. It's like painted denim on the bottom and regular at the top. She has this cat symbol that is on the Rainbow Vision Shadow High girls as well, I think. So I wonder if that's like she's a fan of their band or something. It says 2022 anti-sparkle shadow. So she has like a sports bra, Shadow High, leather in the back, and then on the bottom these like running short type material things, leggings, leather on the sides that say Shadow. She's got the knee-high socks and these cool, very interesting shoes. They have like these things in the back. It kind of looks like the things that attach onto like when you go cycling, but that would be in the front, not in the back. I usually say now let's take a look at her second outfit, but I feel like with all this going on, this is like her third outfit. Okay, so I really feel like she's come with the most outfits out of anyone so far. This is all came together like this. So we have this extra jacket. It's very shiny material. It says Shadow in the front, Shadow on the side, Shadow in the back, but it's a Velcro, and it's supposed to be like an off the shoulder thing, I think, kind of like fit on there and like hang off a little bit. Next we have this, which is probably my favorite piece out of her outfit. It is this jersey material dress, number 13, silver trim along the bottom and the top with the Shadow High badge in the front. And her second shoes are these one piece attached to a sole on the bottom that say Shadow in the back. I am definitely a fan of Miss Nicole. She has some pretty cool outfits. I really do like her hair and her look. Let me know what you think of her in the comments below. Let me know if you have her in your collection. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at dollplease and stick around for some fashion shots. I will talk to you next time. Bye.